Well, to be honest, it felt a little surreal, you know, to have my name and Repair Cafe Aotearoa called out as the winner of the Growing the Movement award. And I mean, there were so many zero wasters, you know, deserving of this award, you know, among the 44 nominees. Our mission is to foster a repair culture in Aotearoa, and that involves businesses as well. You know, we can have a thriving repair economy. So repair cafes are in essence local pop-up events where people come together that have repair skills, and these wonderful repair volunteers, they help people to fix their stuff. When you go to a repair cafe, you can actually sit with the repairer and you can observe the diagnostics as well as the repair. So they're really educational and also community building, and of course preventing waste from going to landfill.